There's just too many people. This is what Mom and I did. Like, we looked at them all, but went down further.
And then walks back.
Yeah, to take pictures and stuff. To see all the people here.
Yeah. Still pretty cool though.
Yeah.
Oh, they all got different names too.
Mm-hmm. It's even better.
I know.
Um,
That's cool.
there's one red one.
Like, how much is the little ones? The little ones can't be that expensive, can they?
Baby ones are $8,000.
The baby ones, those are 8 bands for that? So I'm gonna buy a small one. I might as well buy a big one.
Yeah, those are like.
Why are you kissing the butt?
Oh, there are a lot of them, huh? I feel like you could just like snag one of
Aren't they
these.
what they're called now?
I mean, they don't feel like
These are
they're heavy.
invasive weeds.
Yeah, they're
In
made.
India.
Yeah, the people sit there and make them all by hand.
Yeah, but I mean, they're made out of invasive weeds, so it helps the agriculture in India as well.
These are so amazing. Yeah, I like the red one. How much do you think that one was? Mayflower. Mayflower.
Nice. Scan it, find out how much.
Yeah, and then I'm gonna be getting friggin' emails forever about buying elephants.
Oh, sorry.
Good.
I feel like having them just like.
Aren't they cool
I
though?
feel like someone's gonna steal them.
I didn't steal them.
Oh, you could eat. I could steal one of
There's
these.
no way I'm going
Oh, I
to.
could. Trust me, I could. I could steal one of these fucking things. One little angle grinder. I cut them feet right off.
I think these ones are like 15 or 20,000. I don't know how much the medium ones are. That's called an adolescent.
Yeah, look at that big guy, huh?
The signs are funny too.
Do not climb on them.
So choose an elephant. Let's see. Browse through the Boston herds.
What?
See the sign, read it. It's cracks me up.
Oh, that is funny. Buy an elephant.
Oh, so a baby one's 8,500.
How much are the big ones then?
A child one
Which is that one, right?
is like 1450. A
18.
lady is 18,000. Ones with the tusks, the men,
The Tuskers. 22.
22,000.
22 bangers for this guy over here. So like this one, right? With the tusks. That's a Tusker. He's 22 bands. I think Melissa would kill me if I bought an elephant. This one's got tusks too, though. That's a child, right? Adolescent. So those are 14. 14,000. 22,000 for the big one.
Laura, 22,000. 22,000.
If you want to buy it.
22,000 if you want to buy it.
The little ones are only 8,000.
That's 14.
This guy.
We think we're not quite sure.
I'm not quite sure, but it looks like an adolescent.
There's like a right there. 22,000 for the big one. We go see
That's
the
not
rest.
bad though. Yeah, let's go see the rest. There's more down there, right? That guy was like,
She's all by herself.
I know. Why is this girl all by herself? She must. Actually, that's a boy, I think, right?
These people are going crazy with pictures. They didn't have the name
Yeah,
tags up on
those kids are gonna
just
be
now.
serial killers when they get older. That's a whole family of them.
That's
Them
a
kids
funny
are
name
gonna
for an elephant, Matt.
nah. Yeah, I wonder if they're named after real elephants. Oh, the little puppy. Oh, the cop's stopping. Oh, should have got some bikes. Don't remember how to ride a bike? I want to get bikes in New York someday. Go ride around Central Park. I think that'd be fun as shit.
Are you recording or not yet?
Yeah, I'm still recording. I'm gonna record when I go back to it though. But I like go over with all the audio. So look at that guy. That's a big guy too. That's weird that there's like none right here. I don't know why they didn't put any right here. Maybe this is like the loading zone. They bring the trucks and they load them off. I wonder if anyone's actually bought one. I bet someone's bought one.
A business? If you have a
Maybe.
business and have one,
If I had the money, I would buy one. Yeah. I would buy one just to have one if I had the money. Like this guy, Subash, he's great.
I wonder why some of them have that. It makes me laugh.
Yeah, $2,000. I like how even the signs are made out of that stuff. Like the wooden sign around it. Yeah, so this is a female. Oh, I bet, yeah. Yeah, I bet you anything this guy sold, Yuma.
Like somebody bought one.
I bet you that's exactly what these red dots mean. And look, something about Nano too.
Well, we're guessing.
That's what I'm
I mean,
saying.
that would make sense, right?
That would make sense because you don't see a lot of red dots.
At first, I thought they were like adult ones.
Maybe she knows she's the. This area. I like this guy with the tusks. See, this is a juvenile with tusks, right?
I mean, I'm assuming so because it's smaller. Like this is
That's a female
that's like
because it doesn't have the
the 20,000
tusks.
one, and then the big ones with tusks are like 22,000. Like that one's different. He's darker.
Yeah, that one's darker. I would like that guy with the darker one.
He's been out in the sun.
Yeah, both of them have little darkies. Oh, look at his eyes. His eyes are cool as shit. I know, but all their eyes are a little different. I would have loved to bring Gonzo down here and check him out. He probably would have went crazy. He probably would have pissed on them all.
I know he is.
But that little one's.
He's so cute.
I feel like we're going the wrong way. It's alright though. That is so cool. Should I go give him like $20 and see if he knows any Rod Stewart? This must be the start, huh? I wonder how they like pick who leads the pack. And I wonder if it's the same ones all the time when they set them up, you know?
There's different kinds. Field online, it's like this is like you can buy one from the Boston for, you know what I mean?
It's photos of Ellie standing tall, but please don't climb on them at all. Chioma has been sold. I wonder. I'm gonna scan this and see if I can't buy it because I bet you she's already been sold.
I think it's just gonna send you.
I bet you each one though is her.
It's gonna send you just Instagram, don't you think?
Yeah,
So
just
we're
screen
thinking she's a matriarch. Let's see what her name is. Here, look.
Oh yeah, see it says the ones that have been sold.
Yeah. What's her name? Such of a C.
Chioma, CHA.
Oh.
I don't see her. Maybe she's already sold. Oh, probably could. Well, that one that said sold out, Ranja. So you'd think that one would say sold out too if it was already sold.
Well, maybe that's not what the stickers are for. Maybe she's not for sale. Maybe the ones with the red stickers are not for sale. The baby Evelyns have nearly found all homes.
Oh, that's pretty cool.
The Boston Browse babies. So that's probably not a thing because not all these babies have stickers. Oh, yeah.
Nice. Good job, guys. Dumb
That would be
shits.
cool for you to videotape on the walk back down.
Yeah,
And
we'll
you'll
go back
see
down that way.
exactly how many there are
Is the light on my camera still? Can you see?
over here.
Yeah.
Yes.
All right, I want to stop it though and restart it. Very beginning though.